I need to give you guys a quick refresher on interval notation. And first things first, I want to just give you an idea of where this might come from. The idea is that there's a number line which tells me about some kind of like good numbers or allowable numbers, or like maybe these are the awesome numbers or whatever. But somehow here I've got, and this one's a number line, right? Number line kind of notation, right? I drew a picture of a number line and I said, oh look, the numbers between -2 and 4, those are the awesome ones. And then I drew a closed dot here and an open dot there. And what I mean by the closed dot here is the number -2, that one's awesome. The number 4, less awesome. But all the numbers in between -2 and 4, and I do mean all the numbers, not just the fractions and not just the counting numbers, but all the numbers between -2 and 4 are awesome. So another way I might write that is I might write, okay, -2 is less than or equal to x is less than 4. Okay, and this is inequalities. Right? I could rephrase my number line information as an inequality information. But this is a little cumbersome to write, because why do I care about calling those things x? What I really mean is awesome, and x is, like, sometimes it's awesome and sometimes it's not. So maybe I would write instead, I'd say, okay, I got to start at -2, and then we're going to go to 4. So that's what this sort of thing means, right? I mean, -2 going to 4. And then I need to decide, okay, what do the ends look like? 4 is not supposed to be in there, so I'm going to put an open not supposed to be in there. So when you see this open parenthesis, think not included. And then -2, that one is awesome, right? The closed dot here, the equal sign under that, less or equal, and this closed bracket here, that means including. So right here, right now, I'm saying, okay, -2, closed bracket, comma 4, open bracket. Hey, this is that same information I had on the number line, but it's a slightly more succinct way to say it. This is that interval notation. And these three, right? These three things, this guy here, and this picture here, those are all describing the same thing. They're just rephrased in different ways because we might put them in different contexts. This is the one that we're going to use the most often, so this is kind of how I'd like you to present the idea of a set of numbers. So what I mean by this is not just -2 and 4, and it's not just -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is not included, right? It's not just those ones, it's all the numbers in between there. So all the fractions, all the nasty little decimals that never stop, all that stuff. Cool? All right.